Well, I made it to New Orleans, but United lost my bag. Welcome. Another jet. These jets are keep taking off from some location over there. But it's a great day. Made it to the new ship. Looks like I'm gonna be here for a month or two. Looks like a lot of work needs to be done before they ship this off. So this is our home that we're staying in. Washer, dryer, fridge, mirror. I even get pizza. Look at that sink. Stove. Dishwasher. Bathroom's gorgeous. Then it's a railroad. One room here, big bed. Next room here, small bed. Small bed, but TV. So I decided to take the next room. Big bed. Mirror in the back. And access to the back room. It's not a hotel. It's a house. And it's two different apartments. This side and the next side. But it's good. I'm gonna go eat my pizza. Little office space in Belly Chassis. Like the view. But yeah, I just had to do a couple of painting jobs. And had to paint up some lights right here. And made a mess. Well, welcome back to Proceeding Onward in America. I know I've been talking to y'all for a while, but I've been out here, New Orleans, for a couple of days now. I'm just enjoying the fun. But I decided to take a walk after 3 days. So far it's great, but I decided to explore. It's just a short walk where I get to go see the Mississippi River. So let's go see what I'm gonna come across. Nice little walk pathway. Well, welcome to the Mississippi River. See that building up there? It's beautiful. So is that one. That's on the other side. See, now that's what I'm talking about. Is Mississippi River. That flow you see right there. That's Mississippi River. This right here is definitely Mississippi River, like over flooding over here. They got gates everywhere. And basically a wall to stop it from coming over. And then when you cross on the other side, it goes down. So if it ever overflows here, it's gonna go down, and I guess this is supposed to be the bridge that stops the river from overflooding. Wasn't a bad walk. It was a short 10 minutes. Now there's a boat section, a ferry that can take you over the Mississippi River and to the other side of New Orleans. But look at that view right there. Mississippi River. Flowing hard. But yeah, I'm just gonna walk over to the ferry, see how much it costs to get to the other side, see what's the timing to get to the other side. Let's keep exploring and seeing what else we can find. Looks pretty. This, I guess, is the ferry dock. So I'm gonna go see what the prices are to take the ferry to the other side of the island. There's the ferry behind me. Okay, I checked out the ferry. It's $2 to cross and $2 to come back. They only take cash, no credit cards, no special city pass or anything. Cash only. Take you straight to the New Orleans city. Well, I'm not gonna go. I'll go another time. Not today. I'm gonna continue my walk and see what else I can see on this side of the streets. It's not a bad walk. It's beautiful. There's a lot of people that come here. It's even a bike trail for you to ride your bike. And it goes around the whole area. I should have brought my bike. Ran into this nice man taking a good picture and was waiting for that sunset to go down. And he was gonna get a beautiful shot right over this little three-pronged church building. I took it. Here it is. Let's continue our walk back to the house, and then I'll say my farewell. Very colorful neighborhood. Very colorful. Sorry. As in, I'm walking without looking, but you see the two colored houses. Colorful. Beautiful flowers. Look at the house match the sky. This is where I'm gonna say our goodbyes. Keep following us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and don't forget to become our Patreon so we can make more videos like this. Have a good day. Bye.